of the hardest job of getting monetized on YouTube or earning on YouTube is getting to 4,000 watch hour. On today's video, Falabare, calm down. I'll be showing you how to get your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Also on today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a playlist. A playlist is one of the ways for which you can get your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Welcome back. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S. Please give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Share this particular video. Know if your bell notification is turned on for my channel so that you will always be the first to get notified anytime I post a new video. And let's get right into it. Welcome back. For you to start earning on YouTube or for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. That is for long form content. Examples of long form content are videos from 8 minutes to 10 minutes. That is the way for which you can get monetized on YouTube. And another way for which you can get monetized on YouTube is through your shorts. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views for which you can get monetized through shorts. 10 million views, I mean, is that if you're creating shorts consistently and not long form content, you need to have 10 million views. I also have this app for which I use in calculating how much watch hour for which I have on my channel. It helps me to set goals for my channel. I'll be putting a video here or I'll be putting a picture here. Remember that you can also check how much watch hour for which you have on your channel through your YouTube studio, studio.youtube.com. I'll be putting it here. Backstory: I was almost 1 year on YouTube before I got monetized, and it got me thinking. Remember that once you get to 1 year on YouTube, the already accumulated watch hour for which you have will start reducing.
Don't say that.
That means your watch hour, you might have like 3,000 watch hour. You go to sleep, and when you wake up, you might be seeing like 2,500. That means your watch hour will be increasing once you're 365 days on YouTube. But Falabare, calm down. Oh, everything can be achieved. I am here. I was once there. Now, for you to get your 4,000 watch hour, you need to create a playlist. What is a playlist? A playlist is whereby you are pushing all the videos that you have on your channel into different segments. Different segments, I mean, is that if you have lifestyle on your channel, if you have market vlog on your channel, if you have fitness on your channel, all you have to do is to arrange all those videos into one box so that when people come to your channel, if they want to watch only cooking on your channel, everything is arranged for them. Once they finish watching one particular video, they're moving to the next video without going to, oh, this one has finished, let me click on the next. No, everything is arranged in a box for you. In that way, when people come to your channel, they're watching your videos seamlessly. Now, how do you create a playlist? Let's move over to my laptop. Back, we'll be working with our laptop. So all you have to do is to go to your Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. I always love using it to go to my YouTube, okay? And now these are the shortcuts for all the websites that I usually visit, and YouTube should be one of them. We're going to our homepage. This is my homepage. You'll be seeing other content creators that you are actually watching their videos and the ones that YouTube is going to recommend for you. That is what you'll be seeing here. Now we will be moving to our right-hand side. Once you move to your right-hand side, you're going to click on your picture that is showing on top there, and it is going to bring out all these things: Google account, Switch account, sign out, Google, YouTube Studio, and everything that you are going to see here. And our business is the YouTube Studio. Click on the YouTube Studio. It is going to take you to your YouTube Studio homepage. You're going to see like your homepage, everything that goes on. I always tell people that this studio.youtube.com is the explicit CV of your channel. Like if you want to get an explicit review of what goes on your channel, make sure you are going to the studio.youtube.com, not the one that is the mobile app. This one is the studio.youtube.com, and by the left hand side you're seeing your dashboard, your content, your analytics, your community, subtitles, copyrights, earn, customization, audio library, and the rest of them. That is what you'll be seeing here. And this is our homepage. You'll be seeing like a lot people, the recent activity on your channel, how your recent community tab is doing, like some of the comments that you are not really seeing on your YouTube mobile studio. You will definitely see it here. So this is the recent video or the recent videos that I have uploaded that I haven't replied the comments, that is what you would also see here. Like everything is here. You can go to your analytics and also see what is going on. You're going to see how your channel has done in the last 28 days. You're going to see the real time of how your channel, of your subscriber count and the rest of them. Now let's move over to the business of the day. So you're going to click on the content. These are all the videos that I have on my channel, both the ones I have uploaded, both the ones I have unlisted, both the ones I have scheduled to go up on so day. That is what you'll be seeing here. And on top here, you'll be seeing videos, shorts, live, posts, playlist, podcast, courses, and promotions. Everything you're seeing here, click on all of them and see what they do, okay? Here, there is nothing you will click here that will lead you astray. And always make sure that you can see there is a question mark here, which means that this is something that I need to attend to. Like you're seeing here, as a valued YouTube creator, we invite you to help guide decisions about tools and features to help creators succeed. So all you have to do is to take the survey or dismiss anyone that you don't want to participate in. Dismiss, but I am going to be taking this survey later. Now these are all your videos. If you have like plenty videos on your channel, all you have to do, you'll be seeing these boxes that are clicked by the side here on the left hand side. All each is lifestyle, fitness, cooking, and the rest of them. Let's assume cooking. So all I have to do, this is a cooking video. I will click on the box. You can see one selected, and then I will scroll down. This one is also a food content. I will click on that. This is another video that I have clicked on. So you scroll down and look for cooking videos that you'll be keeping on one particular playlist. So we're going to be working with 3 videos. So all I have to do is to add to playlist, or you create a new playlist. So when you click on add to playlist, you can see these are all the videos that, all the playlists that I already have on my channel, all the videos I have on my channel, my recipes, my vlogs, my shorts, my YouTube masterclass, my sit down video, my market vlogs, and the rest of them. Now, if I want to add this particular video to an already existing playlist, all I have to do is to add it to it. But if I want to create a new playlist, all you have to do is to create a new playlist. When you click on the new playlist, create on new playlist. So if you click on that, you put the title, which is cooking tips. Let's assume that this is cooking tips recipes, full stop. And then I'll be writing description. Description means is what your video is all about, and these are cooking tips. These are cooking tips for beginners. I don't know, I can't really do the spelling right now. And as usual, this will be public, and you will do create. This will be created. As you can see, it's already added here. So I'll be going back. Just click on anywhere, and then you unclick, or rather, oh no, you unclick. Now if you want to do another playlist for your vlogs, all I have to do is to click on videos that are my lifestyle vlogs. As you can see, this is a lifestyle. I will scroll up. This is a lifestyle. We'll be working with 2 videos, and you will still do the same thing. Add to playlist. I've already added it to a playlist. Okay, so all I have to do is to click on the new playlist. When you click on the new playlist, you're going to name it lifestyle. Let's just assume that I want to name this lifestyle videos, full stop. Of course, you can write anything. This is my life as a mom living in Abuja. Of course, it is always public, please, and you create. When you're done, you click on the save. So if you click on the save, now let's go check out the videos that we have created, the playlist that we have created. So when you click on your playlist, you can see this is the lifestyle video. It has only 2 videos. I just created that right now. And then I think my cooking, and then this is my cooking tips recipes. Any playlist that you have on your channel, it will definitely show here. Now, this is the reason for you having a playlist on your channel. After watching that particular video, I hope I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you that having a playlist on your channel is a good thing. Falabare, calm down. After watching this particular video, don't say, oh, it is a hard job to do. It is not a hard job. I know that YouTube can be frustrating whenever you are putting in the effort and you are not seeing the result, but I am here to encourage you, to tell you that I was once there. There was a time my channel was getting low views. I am not saying that my views are the best right now. I am still pushing. I am here still pushing. There are people that are even on YouTube before me. They are still here. They are still creating content. So do not give up on your channel. All I have to tell you is create a playlist on your channel. It is an added advantage and one of the fastest way for which you can earn one of the fastest way for which you can reach your 4,000 watch hour easily. Another quick tip I can tell you is, if you have family members outside the country, send your link to them, your channel link to them, send a particular playlist to them. Of course, you have them arranged. Tell them to go to your channel and click on the playlist. All they have to do is to leave it on and go to work. This is another added advantage. I told people to help me run my playlist. If you have someone that you rapport with, if you have friends that you rapport with, please send a message to them. Oh, please, I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube. Please, can you help me run my playlist? If you have people that have Wi-Fi on their office, they can use a phone, play your videos there and just leave it for it to run. Any amount of watch hour for which you get from anybody, just thank the person, because 10 watch hour. Some people will say, I did live stream and the watch hour I'm getting from there is small. Where did you keep it before? Did you see any watch hour before? And you are complaining that the one you got from a silent live stream is small. No watch hour is small, oh. Any watch hour that somebody does for you and you are getting like 5 watch hour from the person is still an added advantage, oh. So whatever it is you do, make sure you have a playlist on your channel, because if your videos are scattered all over the place, someone might just watch only one particular video and they zoom off. But if someone is looking for a cooking video, cooking videos, different recipes on how they can improve in their cooking, and you have a cooking playlist on your channel, what the person will do is click on the playlist of cooking videos and they will watch all your cooking videos without even realizing it. That is the essence of having a playlist. I have a playlist on my channel. I cannot come here and gatekeep and tell you people what I don't have. I have a playlist on my channel. You can see it here. All my videos are arranged in one particular place. For example, if you have like different colors of pants now and you want to arrange them according to different colors, it's just like you having different niche on your channel and you are arranging all the videos for each niche in one particular box, so that if someone should come to your channel, oh, I don't want to watch your lifestyle, I only want to watch your cooking video, they will watch your cooking video and go their way. Oh, I'm looking for something to binge watch on, and they will click on your vlogs. They will watch like 10 videos without realizing it. In a way, even your old videos will also get views. So go create a playlist today, because that watch hour for which you are looking for, you will get it. If you are creating shorts, make sure that you are creating shorts every day. If you say, okay, I don't have long form content to give you people, it's only shorts I can create. Those videos that you are creating on Facebook or TikTok, download them and come and be posting it on YouTube. Oh, I will still post a video on how other ways for which you can get your public watch hour, your 4,000 public watch hour easily. If you are creating shorts, make sure you are creating shorts every single day. Every single day, they will know that that particular channel is for shorts. You'll be consistent with it. But if you want to get monetized or start earning through your long form content, make sure you are creating reasonable, relevant, value added 8 to whatever minutes video, even 1 hour. People upload 1 hour video, but make sure that it is up to 8 minutes so that you can put ads in between. Are you hearing me? I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you. Ngwa. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't joined my membership is another way for which you can support content creators. Join with any amount. It's just a tap at the back to tell me, oh, you did very well, and the rest of them. You can equally super chat me, super thanks me, ask for my PayPal, ask for my bank account. I will give you, please, because this job is not easy, but I am here to equally help you. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. And it's definitely free. This thing,
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.